I would have spent 10 times this for the experience that I'm having, the positive experience that I'm having. The money's not even the issue. That's how significant of an improvement my quality of life is, having done the detox. I'm 61 now, and the last few years, I just started to experience both low energy and brain fog. And I was just kind of trying all kinds of things. So I went online and I dealt with one of these online companies that do blood work and assessments and then recommend different things. And they put me on testosterone, they put me on a peptide, a thyroid medication. And all of these things were my attempt to somehow fix this energy issue that I was experiencing and this brain fog. So I was trying all these different things and they all helped in a kind of moderate way. There was no wow experience. I listened to Anthony's story and his testimony, saw what it did for him, and I said, I'm going to give this a try. And then went into the cleanse. And all I can tell you is that about 5 days in, I had this amazing wow experience in terms of energy level. And then I had this clarity of thinking, I don't know what's going on, but this thing really made a difference for me. And I stayed with it, did all the different cleanses, the liver cleanse, the digestive system cleanse, I did the parasite. And I have just had a phenomenal experience. So much so that my work energy has improved. I have a full-time job and I also have a side business. I need energy. I need to function for 14 hours a day. And I'm able to do that now without drudgery. I'm like eager to get to work and to hit it hard and feel good about it. I'm not dozing when I'm driving anymore. Even at 60, 61 years old, I wanted to start jujitsu, and now I have the energy to do that. So now I'm working that into my schedule. It's been a very positive experience for me. I'm a big proponent. Having experienced what I've experienced, I'm selling it to everybody.
I'm here with John Cassar, father of Anthony Cassar, who has both gone through the 14-day blueprint.
We did.
As well. You heard about it, I'm assuming, through Anthony after his experience.
That's correct.
Go ahead and give yourself an introduction here, and then we'll just riff on
so
the
it's interesting because Anthony, so I raised 7 kids. Anthony was one of my 7. All the boys wrestled. Everybody's into health. My girls are into eating healthy and being healthy. I'm 61 now, and the last few years, I just started to experience a real drop in energy, and also didn't understand the distinction with brain fog. So it was both low energy and brain fog. And I was reaching out and doing, just kind of trying all kinds of things. So I went online and I dealt with one of these online companies that do blood work and assessments and then recommend different things. And they put me on testosterone, they put me on a peptide, a thyroid medication. And all of these things were my attempt to somehow fix this energy issue that I was experiencing and this brain fog. And that was experienced in terms of just having difficulty being really effective at work. It was experienced, driving, because I drive pretty far to get to construction sites, just dozing and being sleepy at the wheel. And it was just not having the energy that I just thought I should be able to project at this stage in the game. And so I was trying all these different things, and they all helped in a kind of moderate way, but nothing really made, there was no wow experience.
When you say testosterone, you mean TRT?
Yeah, so they put me on a testosterone replacement, so it was a cream kind of thing, and then then a shot, kind of thing. So all of these things made some improvements, but they weren't just a significant improvement. And Anthony and I always talk about health issues and different things that we try and supplements, and he told me about this cleanse that he did. And he's talking about this detox dudes, and I'm like, well, all right. I said, tell me about it. So he told me about it, and I'm like, Ant, I'm trying everything to see what is going to help me. And he said, Dad, let me make a phone call and see what I can do. And he reached out to Josh, and next thing I know, I got an email from Josh, and he's like, hey, try this out.
Were you skeptical? It is a little unusual.
I probably was somewhat skeptical, but at the same time, I was willing to try anything that I heard good things about, but yeah, I'm always, somewhat skeptical because I've tried different things. So what was amazing, I listened to Anthony's story and his testimony, saw what it did for him, and I said, I'm going to give this a try. So he made that connection with Josh. I get an email, and I purchase all the supplements and the cleanses, and I launch into this. And I prepped about a week ahead of time, sort of eating really clean and sort of falling into the one meal a day a week ahead of time, and then went into the cleanse. And all I can tell you is that about 5 days in, I had this amazing wow experience in terms of energy level. And then for the first time, I realized that I could distinguish there was also brain fog, because I had this clarity of thinking, and I just wasn't experiencing what I had been experiencing for a number of years now that I've been struggling with. So I was like, Aunt, I don't know what's going on, but this thing really made a difference for me. And I stayed with it, did all the different cleanses, the liver cleanse, the digestive system cleanse, I did the parasite. And I have just had a phenomenal experience. So much so that my work energy has improved. I'm not dozing when I'm driving anymore. I've been wanting to do, even at 60, 61 years old, I wanted to start jujitsu, and now I have the energy to do that. So now I'm working that into my schedule. So it's been a very positive experience for me, and I want to take it further. It's causing me to really want to focus more on this whole cleanse concept and to see what's going on, because I had such a great experience.
Wow. So you mentioned brain fog was one of your main concerns. Like on a scale of 1 to 10 in terms of energy level, or just how you felt on a day-to-day basis, where were you at before, and where do you feel like you are now after doing this?
I was probably functioning around a 4 with energy and brain fog. It was a problem. I would take naps and this and that. Now I'm up around a 9 or a 10. And I'm up there where I guess there's always room for improvement, so I'll keep it at a 9. But it's been a remarkable, significant change. And that's why I call it a wow experience. It was just really like, this is significant.
Was it the first Zen cleanse that really
I started to experience it. I started to experience the benefits within 5 days. So it was even before I did any of the Zen. It was the binders, the supplements. I always, for the most part, ate clean, but it was even more strict. I was doing the 1 meal a day, maybe a small little healthy snack, if anything, but basically 1 meal a day. And within 5 days, I just experienced a tremendous change in energy, and the brain fog lifted. So I finished out the 14 days and just felt even better. And now, like I said, I want to look into it even further, because I think this detox thing there's something to this, and I need to understand it better, because my experience of having undergone the detox was just a wow experience. The added benefit also, Jonathan, was I've been struggling to get my weight down further. I'm 5'11". I was up around 210, 212, which is way too heavy for me. Could not lose the weight no matter what I did. Post detox, within the detox and within a couple of weeks after that, I was down 10 pounds. So again, I'm like, what's going on with this detox? What's happening here? I need to understand this.
I don't like the machine analogy to the body, because it's so much more complex than a machine, but it is like cleaning the gears of the machine. Like all of a sudden you're removing all this interference in your digestion and your metabolism. And it's like the body it's almost like it was designed beautifully, right?
And the funny thing is, Jonathan, like, I've always been a health conscious person. I've always been eating organic. I've stayed away from the processed foods. It's not like I was just consuming the cultural food paradigm, which is disastrous. I wasn't doing that. I was staying away from seed oils, but there was another level that the detox was able to really touch.
Would you say you're 61? Is that what you said?
61, yeah.
Yeah, it's just as we get to a certain age, there's almost no avoiding a certain amount of toxicity in our environment. So it sounds like you've done a lot of things right. But what would you tell somebody who feels like, I'm generally healthy, but I don't know if I really need this?
You need to try it. You need to do it. In fact, my son Nicholas, who's 35, he's a cop here in the area, former wrestler. He trains with MMA, not on a professional level, but on an unprofessional level. Very active, very physically fit. He's doing it now. He's going to start. He's sold on the idea. He's had some stomach issues over the years, and I'm like, Nick, you got to try the detox. It's going to give you information that you can work with, because he's been struggling with his stomach.
Okay.
And so, to me, I think we can't avoid being exposed to the toxins, whether it be the plastics, this, that, the chemicals, the food, the preservatives. You can't help but be exposed to it. And over the time, it builds up. I think it just builds up, and you need to cleanse. I'm a big proponent. Having experienced what I've experienced, I'm selling it to everybody.
Nice. Yeah, I tell people it's just not the world our grandparents and great-grandparents grew up in. There's so many more chemicals. The food is just loaded with stuff. Like, even your food may look healthy, but it could be completely riddled with pesticides and all kinds of stuff, right? So it's pretty sneaky. You have to really be discerning about what you put in your body these days, or even some of it's beyond your control, of course.
And it builds up. So at my age, like, it builds up, and you got to find a way to get rid of it. And a detox is the way to get rid of it.
It sounds like Nicholas may have noticed, but has anyone else in your immediate vicinity noticed a difference in you
Oh,
and
absolutely.
said anything? What's that been
My
like?
kids, my family members, my wife, partly because of, I have a full-time job and I also have a side business. So I need energy. I need to function for 14 hours a day. And I'm able to do that now without drudgery. I'm like eager to get to work and to hit it hard and feel good about it. And they see that. So I'm more productive at work. I'm training more, which I got to fit my training in around my work schedule and this and that. And when I was experiencing the low energy and the brain fog, it was just so easy to make an excuse about, oh, I need to rest. I don't need to make those excuses anymore. I'm finding the time to get up there because I want it. I want to do it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
A lot of our clients are very busy, entrepreneurs or whatever. What would you tell them that, hey, I'm too busy to do a detox like this?
The problem with low energy and brain fog is it kind of creeps up on you in a subtle way. You don't realize that it's having an impact on your work effectiveness and on your training and everything else until it reaches a certain point. And you got to look back and say, why am I not getting this done? I used to get this done. So it sneaks up on you, and that's when you got to make the commitment, do the detox, and you'll find that energy, that additional motivation, that clarity, that drive. You get up, you want to get up out of bed and get to work, as opposed to like the alarm clock going off and you're just like, oh brother, this is just, difficult. So it's a whole different experience. So what I tell people is it's 2 weeks. 2 weeks, small investment. Some people will say it costs a lot of money. I told Anthony I would have spent 10 times this for the experience that I'm having, the positive experience that I'm having. The money's not even the issue. That's how significant of an improvement my quality of life is having done the detox. And like I said, I want to focus on it more. I want to go even further.